Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Friday, May 9th, 2025. Our comprehensive coverage includes technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Key tech indexes were mixed today. The Nasdaq 100 and the technology sector both edged lower. The Nasdaq Composite Index saw its third consecutive up day, while the healthcare sector fell 1%. Market breadth was notably positive. The Nasdaq 100 showed 76% of stocks advancing. The Nasdaq Composite saw over 2,100 advances versus 949 declines. The technology sector had 3-to-1 positive breadth. Looking at monthly returns, the technology sector leads with a 3.7% gain. The healthcare sector lags, down 5.6%. Year-to-date, all tech-related indexes are showing negative returns, ranging from -3.7% to -8.2%. Among top tech performers, Microchip Technology surged 12.6% with strong upward volatility. First Solar rose 5.1%, while Texas Instruments gained 4%. Both are showing 3 consecutive days of gains. Week-to-date returns are impressive for several leaders. Microchip Technology is up 15.5%, while Enphase Energy has gained 11.4%. First Solar shows strong momentum with a 7.8% weekly gain. Among declining stocks, Akamai Technologies dropped sharply, down 10.7%. CrowdStrike fell 4.2% despite its strong positive trend. IBM and Palantir Technologies each declined less than 2%. Year-to-date performance varies widely among today's decliners. Palantir Technologies maintains a 55% gain, while Dayforce and Akamai Technologies are both down over 20%. Tech-focused ETFs showed mixed performance. QQQ and ProShares Ultra QQQ both declined slightly, while VanEck Semiconductor gained 1.45 points. Vanguard Information Technology posted its third consecutive positive close with a mixed positive trend. Month-to-date returns show strength in tech ETFs, with ProShares Ultra QQQ leading at 7.4% and VanEck Semiconductor up 5.7%. However, year-to-date performance remains challenging, with ProShares Ultra QQ down 25.5%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Amazon and Apple each gained about 0.5%, while Microsoft edged up slightly. Alphabet and Meta Platforms both fell nearly 1%. Microsoft shows a very strong positive trend, while Apple and Alphabet display very strong negative trends. Looking at returns, Microsoft leads with an 11% month-to-date gain. Meta Platforms follows with nearly 8% month-to-date return. Amazon is up 4.7% MTD, while Alphabet and Apple show negative returns for the period. In semiconductors, nLIGHT surged 35.5% to 11.67. Microchip Technology jumped 12.6% with strong upward volatility. Diodes and Peraso both gained 12%, while Allegro Microsystems rose 5.9%. Week-to-date returns show nLIGHT leading with a 37.8% gain. Peraso and Microchip Technology each returned over 15%, while Allegro Microsystems and Diodes posted gains above 9%. In cloud computing, the trade desk soared 18.5%, marking 6 consecutive up days. Cloudflare gained 6.4% with upward volatility. Zoom rose 1.3% for its third straight gain, while Fastly and ServiceNow posted modest increases. Month-to-date returns show Fastly and the trade desk leading with gains over 32%. Cloudflare is up 9.6%, while Zoom and ServiceNow show more modest gains of 4.9% and 2.6% respectively. In AI and robotics, Mobileye Global rose 3.9%, with a very strong positive trend. Symbotic gained 3.3%. Boeing advanced 1.6%, reaching new one-year highs for 2 consecutive days. Ambarella and Fanuc posted modest gains. Month to date, Symbotic leads with a 14.7% return, followed by Ambarella at 12.2% and Mobileye at 11.8%. Boeing shows a 6.3% gain, while Fanuc is slightly negative for the period. In thematic ETFs today, Robotics led the group, closing at 40.99, up 15 cents, with 3 consecutive positive closes. Spear Alpha ETF and AI and Technology showed similar patterns, while Robotics and Automation and AI and Innovation Fund ended slightly lower. Month-to-date returns show Spear Alpha ETF leading with a 7.8% gain. Robotics and Automation and AI and Innovation Fund both gained around 5%, while Robotics and AI and Technology showed more modest advances near 4%. Electric vehicle stocks showed strength today. Lucid surged 8.6% to 2.51, breaking out from recent consolidation. Tesla gained 4.7% to 298.30, while Rivian Automotive rose 4.2% to 14.26, showing strong upward momentum. NIO and XPeng remained relatively flat. Year-to-date performance shows XPeng leading with a remarkable 66% gain. Rivian Automotive is up 7.2%, while Tesla has declined 26%. NIO and Lucid are both down about 17% and 9% respectively. Quantum computing stocks showed notable gains. D-Wave Quantum advanced 6.4% to 11.9, maintaining strong upward momentum. Rigetti Computing rose 2.6% to 10.58, while quantum computing gained 1.7% with strong volatility. Keysight Technologies added 1.2%, marking its 3rd consecutive positive close. Month-to-date returns highlight D-Wave Quantum's impressive 60% gain. Quantum computing has risen 27%, while Rigetti Computing advanced 19%. Keysight Technologies showed a more modest 6% increase, demonstrating steadier performance. Solar stocks surged today. VivoPower International soared 22.5% to 4.35, hitting a one-year high. Beam Global jumped 19.5%, breaking out after 11 days of consolidation. Sunrun gained 10.3%, while Solar Edge Technologies rose 8.4% with strong upward momentum. Year-to-date performance shows VivoPower International leading with an extraordinary 227% gain. Solar Edge Technologies has risen 46%, while Sunrun is slightly positive. Beam Global has declined 44% despite recent gains. Leading tech thematic ETFs showed collective strength, with all 5 funds posting a 3rd consecutive day of gains. The SPDR SandP Semiconductor ETF led the group, rising 1.6% to 210.70. The semiconductor-focused ETFs displayed particular momentum, with several showing a mixed positive trend pattern. Returns analysis shows SPDR SandP Semiconductor ETF outperforming with a 9.2% month-to-date gain. Global X Internet of Things ETF demonstrated resilience with the smallest year-to-date decline at 2.1%. All funds posted positive week-to-date returns, averaging around 2.3%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew. Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI. with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.